most I give thanks to life, but down to the ground, man. There I go and hold it off. So if I first time watch the channel, please do subscribe. But there you know, it's a good day. So wait till long at the end. We have some car advertised for sale here in Jamaica. So just wait, go down at the end. Watch it if you have to car, serious people who want car. Check in. 2 new car. One not new, but second hand. Yeah man, used car in Jamaica. One Benz and one next one. Let's go. Yeah, no. I want you to understand, yeah. Not because I'm kind, no. Not because money is so hard to find, no. I'm not a fool for no one. Not a fool for no one. Not because you're beautiful, not because every man is running you down, not because you're the hottest thing around the town, not because you make everybody heart drop. Still I'm not a fool. One day I'm gonna stop.
There.
Good.
Yeah, I'm good, man. You?
I'm telling you.
Dog.
Push.
What the man could do them back? What the man could do back the thing?
How about them?
I know you brought them up more, but I'm bigger man could eat back.
Oh, yeah, big. Oh,
I'm at a pedicure.
The time is right. Anyways, so good.
Yeah, so I have to call you? Never call you tell me I come here?
Supposed to be not there, right?
Well, when time I come, you just stay down in there. You don't come in.
You do have a lot, mama.
So now you can't tell you I know so maybe we come in. No, I'm not calling so I come. Say, I feel like you don't open. So you talk about.
Well, not at least. I say, oh, you show.
Next time. My mother run there. Medical sister surgery. She left on the work, you know, so she work from home. She left on the work. Cut. Give me the phone.
What?
Give me a phone.
What?
Because my mind told me say you're cheap for me. Give me a phone. Give me the phone. You give me the best position. You can't sit up the conversation then.
What?
And I love you.
No, listen to my listen. We do a class project. You see me and me make she in charge. She just said me give her the best position.
You give her the best position.
Simple means.
You give her the best position.
Someone simple means say the leader for the group and the best position that you have the assistant.
Shut up your mouth. You can't fool me. What you mean you give her the best position?
Come on, listen.
Come and say more than make me look. Come see them more than this. Shell out this.
Girl, like,
Who name Renee? That me ask you. Who name Renee?
sit down, listen. You come and say, come. Give me this man. How you wait this thing for? Me? Me? We are going to test some. Come check again. Come check again.
Just answer the question. Who is Renee?
Renee, I want to girl. If you ever get up, me slap you in your face. Where I get up, boy? Where I get up?
Renee, I want your girl then.
Yeah.
Yeah, cheat pam.
Yeah. How? Where I go about it? Eh? If you can't move something, you give one. If you can't move something, you want to school, contain a sheet that I'm here. Relax yourself, man. You're there, so shut up your mouth. Me tell you, I go work with it. You hear me say? There I go there. Work with it. I don't have your mouth. You just work with the floor. Oh, get up on there. Come guy here.
Yeah, come back tomorrow.
You must come back tomorrow. Come guy here. Go on. Go on.
You know, all the time so hard.
Mommy, mommy, one taxi. I'm going to push to the back.
You sound like a bad. Why my child is so hot?
Yes, mommy. You know something? As Daniel, I want to talk to you for.
Okay, because you know something say a while ago, I say, hold on, then I'm Daniel's girlfriend, I want to talk to you too, you know. But you go first, what problem now?
You know me love your son, though.
I know.
He not stop beat me and butt abuse me. He not show me no love. Me talk to him and ready to kick me down.
What do you mean by beat and butter abuse? Young, me tell you something. You're pretty, you're nice, and so we know man who beat and butter abuse. Watch me and I forgot to talk. I never know say them something like one. I'm just going to say me why you talk. Because it seems like he love you. Come here and say, me go talk to you, tell him to leave certain lifestyle alone. I don't know what I'm to the boy. I may have to twins, leave certain lifestyle alone. Build up one little business there with whatever you accomplish already, understand? And leave that alone, kind of something way good. And the people in my chat say me a Christian and my son are the worst.
Me always talk to him say I need to leg off of them there and find something better for them. No, he may say that to me, he talk about abuse me, lick me on my head, he lick me from my foot, he kick me down. I'm tired. I'm traumatized.
When they know?
I don't know how come and just leave him down there.
Yeah, go down there because I need to talk to him. Them something right. Oh, if you just get up every day and beat you, so I won't get them the style from. I'm sure no say he never seen a man beat me yet, and he would never feel good if him saw a man beat me. He not gonna like to say I'm gonna beat him mother, so why him forget up and beat other people girls with me. Me have to talk to him because I don't like them they carry on the girl.
I don't know what problem. You need to talk to me again, mommy. I love you.
Me go talk to you, but me I tell you this. No love no man more than how you love yourself.
That's true.
Because you see, if you don't respect you enough, if you don't put him on you, leave him and make him stay by himself. Let me tell you, left him. Because when I understand him, look at dirty style when I have, but you know what? Me make sure I call him. Because I now running on the hot sun, you know. I go tell him and tell him so I need to see, I need me there so I wait for him. Because I'm too outside. So where you go now?
You know what I do? I'm a mother, I go look for.
Oh. Alright, my child, what good? Me go call him and talk to him because I don't like them, there's something there, alright?
Alright, later.
Yeah, man, take care of yourself.
Alright, yeah, you too.
Make sure call that boy. They come in and understand how have people get beat me and beat them and I batter them. Daniel don't easy none at all. When get them the dirty style from man? Sure. Where him get them the style from? What do you mean the number of my dial is not a sign? Hey. What do you mean by? Who really are going with Daniela? Daniela? Where are you? Yeah, me I hear you now. Where are you? Me there under the. Me need it right now. Me there right under the tree, little above the shop, round your mother-in-law side. Yeah, right now. Yes, man. Pick me, we stress you out, you know. Let me stress you out. We don't understand him style. How can I style up my son? But when can I style it from?
don't beg too much, man. Come.
No, I don't understand you. You tell woman beat her now.
Eh?
You tell woman beat her.
Yeah, Tabo.
Your girlfriend. Why you beat her? And I kick her down. And them
You tell some bitter.
yes.
Where she there? Where she there?
Tell her person not about where she there.
Yo.
You see you? Me get to understand, say, you know, you don't start following, you know, business more. You forgot everything when me teach you, you know. What kind of style them there? You ever seen nobody beat me yet?
Mommy, you teach me now, make man take me for that.
You want to say if you beat them and kick them down, and the girl they love you, should do show you love. What you can't do her so?
Listen. That is me showing her my love.
That's not love. That's
What is
obsession. You cannot do that to somebody's child. Like them, I tell me now, that feel good to see one man kick me down and beat me.
Which boy? No, boy and a girl pan the lane and can't do that. That's not it.
Alright.
No,
So
but-
what you want to do to somebody else beat me?
Mommy, so generally, I feel like it's like, man, she just a little bit in Jamaican. She, boy, you're not to understand.
His son, if you feel like that I want with her, she's not the girl for you, leave her alone. Stop lick her. It's not nice for just to get up and beat somebody, pick me and kick them down. Come on, man, because you would like that for your mother or your sister.
So, what she tell her that?
Look here, it no matter who tell me.
You can't tell me say nothing.
It no matter who tell me or who not tell me, because people see where you do to her. So whether if she not tell me, somebody else will tell me.
Oh, I think he more toilet and dirty foot John. John don't like beer that John tell him.
Look here, Danielle, I tell you, do not put your hand on that little girl. You hear me, I tell you?
Mommy, girl feel respect.
Then what she do? How she disrespect you? Tell me how she disrespect you.
Listen, you see me? Me young, so me take everything as a disrespect. You see me? If she wants certain fun, she disrespect my privacy. If she accuse me of being with girl, she disrespect me. You understand? If she get up and like she want to fight me because she say one girl, she disrespect me. So
you not disrespect her by a one girl texting you. No, this that you disrespect her.
no, listen for me. You want me to put one bag of man?
No, but you can't have one bag of woman that text you have your
Them
girlfriend.
not text me say, let us be together. Them see me post on one status, them say send. Some of them not to text me and say me post on status. She need to figure out Bellevue and she go down a rehab because I'm not like mad girl and I don't want a mad girl and me not there with no mad girl.
Wait.
So if she don't want left and me want she, I go beat the madness out of her backside.
Oh, so that means they say she don't want left. And you think that she mad. So true she don't want left, you have all right to beat her. You can't. You never want you know
I never
son.
say I have all right, no, mama. I never say I have all right, but listen. You're in an age now, I am young, live young to business alone.
Is there?
She chat.
No, come tell me what leave on to be
Mommy,
business alone. You
she
say you're
was
not a man
she was a dash on my prize, man.
If you dash way, it's alright. You can't say never want you know. Because
Oh, this is a
anytime
you gonna
the
make
law
people
catch you
follow
for beating woman again, me nah look me, I told me back. Make a pooper do it this time.
So
I want your sister, your brother them. You hear me? I tell you say, stop beat the child. Stop it. Me go about my
Yeah,
business,
me
because me
fight
come
that,
go on and me go on in your yard, man.
Go on, you go on, man.
And on a behavior. Leave the people and girl. If you feel like she mother, you don't want her left her. Done with her. Done. Just tell her I say it over. Someone hard in that.
I mean, if she follow me up, that means that she is loving the beating, so I'm gonna give it to
It's
her.
alright. Me I come go on the yard because the sun go lie down and relax himself. Behave yourself.
Mama, you see, next time you call me out of my house for some little petty shit, and because I'm a little, I don't know, one little half mad smaddy, or one little man and boy, because you look like my man and it's a two gender mix up. So you see, if next time I call me out of my house, if there's something there, that day, don't, and I told you, she can say, and I find out later, about in her
Yeah,
neck.
man.
See the lick the way I'm going to give.
Yeah, man. Tap in her head. All the police say, when you tap in her head, all the police them just ride up by your same time and just say, all and pull you and put you in check. I want them come about my business. I can't manage, you know. When I'm young people, when I make nobody mad me.
Mommy, she's crazy. That girl is crazy.
Alright.
No, don't let me again, man. I'm a big
I might
big man.
have, hey boy, go on in your yard. Go on lick you again. Like you tip it for there to you. Hey boy, you take one woman now. Alright.
Yes.
Go back outside.
Money?
Come on, for your glasses. Don't come in.
Your car glasses.
Where the car, man?
Let me have your car glasses and come.
You call me from 9:19 and
1 minute.
you call me 9:19 at no, you call me 9:19 and reach 9:19 at 9:20.
You must just leave me yard.
Just right there.
It is a come from me yard.
Call me.
Me yard me a come from the back. So you call me 9:19. You can't be 9:19 and reach 9:19. You call 9:19 so me leave it, right? And now I'm 9:20.
How long you take to get?
I run running, I think I want to walk.
So let's say the preacher before 9:19. Me tell her come here 9:19, I reach at 9:20.
At 15
Mama,
minutes.
my machine, we gotta go for all again.
For the what?
You see, for
Me?
you, I go get a license for you because I go shut in time and I'll be myself.
I mean, me not be myself.
Yeah.
It's a 15 minutes walk from family from your store.
Mama,
I'm trying
make
to
it
run
one.
and reach at 9:20. I
Make
have a
it
problem.
One. Realize the power there is a hand them too much. There is a hand them too plenty. But if you have fumble with, we end up with fumble with, but there is a hand them too much. So, maybe because you hand them in our reach fast enough. You understand?
I'm on them here one pan.
No, but yeah, do things with them. So if we don't call
No, I'm
me,
on them up.
if you call me 9:19, I reach you 9:19. So if you call me 9:19 and you hear the fumble with things, that's when I reach out your hand.
No, 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 please.
You see I come in 9:19, my reach in 9:19. Not 9:20. You hear me tell you? When I was, get up. I truly love you, girl. So you're going to tear down my place for the exit. Don't you come and see me, you're going to thump in your leg here. Hush, man. Truly love you, now listen. Just hush him man and just take your time and go on down. You will listen. Where you tell me that for? Where you go? Go on your yard. Hello. Hi. Get up, go home.
So yes, I don't know what to
Go
do.
home. One by one. Thank you. Yeah.
Excuse me? You can't look how you're going to be, come on.
Who are you talking to?
Now you know you're going there, so.
You know who I am?
You don't have to know where you be.
Okay.
You don't tell me where.
You just bumped in me.
And then you look up in and you
Okay. So sorry.
Excuse me.
You are the one to take the blame, but I'm going to take it. Okay, no problem. Thank you so much for your disrespectful words that you're talking to me about. Yes, you're telling me a lot of stuff that I haven't mentioned. I just told you sorry. So you want me to tell you sorry again? Okay. Trouble.
Yeah, pleasant good morning. My name is Roger Stevens, and I'm calling you from the Publishers Clearing House. Are you familiar with the company and what we do here, ma'am? Right. Well, let me fill you in with a piece of information, right? Publishers Clearing House is a place where you generate prizes, alright? Yeah, and I just saw your name come up in the handbook that you are a winner of $1.5 million. Yeah, all we need is a small fee just to clarify your package, alright? Yeah, we will need the sum of $3,000 US. No, it's super legit. You don't have to worry. No, we can't take it out of the $1.5 million. That's against the law. Yes, don't worry, no need to worry. Everything is legit. Yeah. So, okay. I want you to take a pen and a piece of paper and I want you to write down this number, alright? 455 659. I repeat, 455 659. Yeah, wonderful. That is wonderful. Can you repeat the number for me? Okay. Alright. Yeah, that is brilliant. This is Steven. That is wonderful. Alright. Yeah, just call me as soon as you send off the money, alright? Yeah, it was good doing business with you. Once more, congratulations, alright? Bye-bye. Watch out, man, watch out. What go on now? You know, there upon the officers, you know, I think.
What's the way they do?
Yeah.
They need to stop.
You know, say I don't understand why you young old folks have problem with what I am doing. I am trying to make a living, you know. And me there you try also my honest bread. You understand?
So, you disrespect me.
No,
because
no,
me older than
respect
you.
you. No, me respect you. I'm not disrespect you. I'm just make you know say this is our way of life and this is government have to we, you know. They don't have no work out there. You cannot work at prison. So you must you're big enough, you know you do. Yeah, Johnny.
So hold on. You rather to sit down and do this type of job here and feel comfortable and taking something that you did not work for. It is not fair.
So me ask a question as a big woman. I can respect you. Don't you think the government take what belongs to them, what is ours?
Listen to me I say now, let me talk to you.
Yeah, you're Mikey, yeah.
Take the government out of this.
Alright, put him on there.
The government not in a way you are doing your life, yourself, your future. You are young somebody. You need to get up and go look a job. The government now can't look no job here. Every tub sit down on their own bottom.
Yes.
If you want to be an independent person, you have to go work the way you want. The Bible says by the sweat of your brow, you shall eat bread. Why you want to sit down and eat another man's sweat?
Alright, listen.
The people them work hard for their money, they sweat. Some work in the sun, some in the cold. Then they all they freeze.
Miss,
And them a work.
me respect you, you
You
understand?
don't want to work, you just want to get everything for free.
You know, me respect you, understand? And me tell you from now, Me a bad man. You see me? Me a scammer. Me a one of the toughest young youth them on the lane. You understand what I say to you? And a scamming the truth and a scamming me a work. You say this is what me have to do to make my money because nobody else not give me the money. You know? Work, me can't get a work, you know. Me got, you see, you understand? So as me I tell you, say, do what you are do. Me do, me do. Me there for my line, I go and bang it. So you go up on the road, go and bang it. Big up yourself. Yeah, pleasant good afternoon. My name is I got even the people you come over here and tell me, oh, you want me to run my thing. Me there start trying to make my money, I tell you to run my thing. Don't tell me how to run my thing. I'm a wicked man. Should I end that to you know you? Hello? Yeah, pleasant good afternoon. Okay. I wake up dirty racist together. So because lift off for this episode. Don't you run me general, yeah.
Yes.
You don't do that. Yes, mommy.
Yes, ma'am.
Sit down. I need to talk to you. Because you're a big girl, you know. I know you have sense. How old are you now?
7 years.
Okay, big girl. 7-year-old, sensible pitney you big. And you're my daughter. And I love you very much. Listen to me. I'm my daughter. You see? You're the last one. You're my wash belly. And I love you bad. I love your sister too, you know. How did I sit? I know it's a bird. Listen. I love you and your sister. But because you're the last one, and she's bigger than you, I have to pay attention to you more. But I realize your sister lazy, she jealous. If I buy something for you, what else in your way? If I buy something for you, she have something to say about it. You notice, if I buy something for you, your sister jealous over it and vexed. But if you remember, say, she did small like you, and the same treatment when I give her, me used to give her and I love her same way, even though she get big. She have one lazy style when me not like. Me go somewhere now, and me go leave you to sweep off the veranda. It kinda dusty, so me go wet it up first. But when me gone and sweep it, don't sweep it while I'm in here because me no want the dust put in my head. So me start sneeze, you understand? You see, if you see your sister come when me gone, tell her son if you go wash up the plate then. Mommy say you have to wash up the plate then and she will tidy up the house. You hear me? Okay, and anybody else if you come to me if you sign anything, tell them that I'm not here. I'm busy, I'm going out on the road. You understand?
Yes, but mommy, they can't lock a gate so nobody not come in for me because I know some people will love kill people. Kids. They're organ.
Oh. That's where I talk. I'm going to lock the gate. So you see, if you see somebody come here that you don't know, do not let them inside. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so love you, my baby. I'm going to sweep up the place. Say yeah? Come to the place now. Place so dusty, man. Can I put no more water there, you know? I don't want to get mud up. Alright. Jesus, let me handbag. Hold on here.
Hello.
Hello.
I up right now. Me out of the out so I enjoy myself. You swear you cost me yourself?
Man, yeah, what that is.
Or that I lease and you're not worried about the lock up here then. Me and the lease.
The lockup is kind of rough, you know, but I can't get the put enough space for your steals.
Oh, I know how long you want that man. That's why I do them something for the get lock up for them.
No, you know, intentional, but you cause it by yourself. It's not somebody who want to can just talk. Sorry about that still.
Anyways, I need to make your mother check my mother for the paper for sign, you know, for you get bail. Can you know my mother JP already?
Yeah.
So you need to make a link. Tell your mother if you just check my mother. And you can't mention it to my mother. Make your mother mention it to my mother. So me and they don't come mother do not know. So just tell her if you link my mother, I make my mother make you get the bill. You understand me?
That not
Can you even come out? We need you back here. With
Mama,
me.
you can't say you need me back out here. Because if me come back out here, you
No,
keep
you
up
can't
your...
let me again. If you let me again, come like feel like in a lock up.
No.
How long are they in a lock up, sir? Almost 2 months. So if you come out a lock up now and lick me, that's for sure you say you're loving a lock up because you go back in there. I can't say to go back in there if you keep on put your hand palm.
I'm not going to lick me. I just hat up back.
Oh, I top your back. I top your back. See it swell? I can't even see it, but it's swell right now.
Anyways, after that, still let them. I see water boy walking and so dirty pride. Now go see our kind because I'll be a pride and tough bread.
Yeah, you forget it. Can you come like say you're loving and stuff, you eat them the prison food.
Mama,
there.
is that what you know? You see, right,
When you could have the road that eat good food, bro.
yeah, but the good food now. You see the difference with the prison food now. I get 3 meals a day and no stress and no problem.
Oh, so me a stress and me a problem.
Mama, you
Anyway,
stress
we
and
not
problem.
argue
Nothing
with you,
about
sir.
you.
We not argue with you over no phone. You understand me? Me stop arguing with you. Right now when me want you to do now, Daniel, I come out of lock up and come here with me. You understand that? So just remember me say, make your mother link my mother with the paper, the sign, and make her get the bill. Understand me?
I'm not so bad. Mama, come out in the still because right now I'm back here. I make butter.
I really know you.
But anyway,
What do you do?
so far that
Anyway, the way I feel, as I say, I look about Paris, I get Paris or something, whatever you do.
I get pride. Mama, I no pride. Like,
So where I go eat?
I eat piece of them bread.
I say, I can't come, they can't look for you now. Say, can't get no food. Your mother come, they can't look for you.
You know, mommy too, you know, you come now one time, come give me $5. I'm just taking and buy 2 bags of wheat, kind of, your brain of your keep.
Oh, come like say we can fool your belly. Anyways, later.
Alright.
Yeah. Hello. Good day. Yeah, good day. You familiar with around here, sir? Yeah, we live down the road down there, sir. You know a JP Butty place? Yeah, my mother JP. As me say, I live down the road. My mother lives, so I just go down the road. Oh, alright, thanks, guys. Go and make you say. Month a place, me go and look one JP. I said, JP, hard to get? Say, girl, and this one had son now pay you. Anyways, you can go down the road, the first right. And there's my mother live. And do not tell my mother to see me up here, say no. You hear me say? Do not tell my mother to see me up here, so. Alright, she did down there, I clean from head to toe because she must have rent out or whatever she want to do with her house. And me not go down there, because if I'm not home, I'm not working into me, not feel the vibes to help her do anything. So you, Miss Lady, don't go down to go tell my mother to see me up here, so I help and her. You understand me? So you can go on down there and she send people if I can go for. Remember, do not tell the woman to you see me. Have a good day. What you say up there, sir? Yes. On the road, yeah. On the side of the road, I just want to see that the big bus there. Yeah. Because turn on the hand. I want the left. My handball come up, no right hand. But you turn on the road, the right part. Show what you hand. Girl, my man beat me and broke my hand. Beat me and broke my hand, I know you did not lock up. Tell me why you talk like you're proud. Come proud of my man. Hey, you're proud of him, man, you're proud of him. Pull up my man, some of mine. And you say, Jeffy, your mother? Yeah. Do not tell my mother say you see me. Else. Alright, go down there. Do not tell the woman say you see me up there, so. And not tell the woman say me I'm the man. Because you do not know. I don't know you, I never see you. Okay then, you know who's in the down the say never see me. Right. Have a good day. Yeah, you too. Do not tell my mother say you see me. Miss you. Alright, good day, bye. Yeah, you too. Keep me coming out there, Me not do nothing that day. Me right now, Daniel, me want to come out of prison right now.
Yes. My mother.
She inside?
Yeah.
Can I call her, please?
Mommy!
Yes.
Somebody can call you.
Come in.
Morning.
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 Are you happy?
I am the JP. Yes, I'm the JP. How can I help you?
You know, say something I beg you send for me, please.
Yes. You don't remember me? Do you remember this face?
Yeah, me remember your face. Something I beg you send for me, please.
As you can see, I'm on my way out. I'm a bit busy. I don't think I have such time right now. I'm so sorry. I have such time right now. I'm so sorry.
Listen, you see, the other day, I just in a one bad mood. And that's why I did I react the way. But this really important.
Well, you have important stuff to sort out, and I have important business to sort out, if you don't mind. So, I'm gonna take my leave now. Maybe I can help you out another time. What is that?
I sent a really important document to go overseas. Me, I beg you, please.
As I told you before, I'm on my way out now. I'm a bit busy. Maybe you can check me back in 2 days' time. I'll think about it and see what I can get done for you.
2 days?
I'm so sorry. I'm a bit busy right
Please,
now.
now listen. You see, you know Jamaica hard. I really want to get this sent from morning. You know which place me go look JP? And me even did know say you're JP. Me really want you send them to me, please.
Listen.
God bless you.
You see, in real life, you don't have to know people to respect people.
True.
You understand me? So whether you know if I was a JP or not, or you just knowing that I am a JP, you're not supposed to deal with people in that kind of way. That is totally disrespectful.
I understand. Can you say anything?
It's like you never grow up with no manners, no discipline. You are very disrespectful and rude.
I never have a manners with Billy.
This is my job. I'm doing. And let me tell you something. I do not have to sign it. If I signed it for you, it's up to me.
Please, I beg.
You understand what I'm saying? I'm not getting any pay to do this. In life, the same person that you disrespect, remember from today that one day down the line you maybe need that person to help you just like now. Okay, I can't do it right now, but I'm gonna take it.
Can you come and fit later?
Not later, 2 days time.
Eh?
Yeah. Okay. Bye. Oh, sorry, you have to check me back in 2 days time. Yes, I'm gonna sign it for you, but in 2 days time. You should appreciate and glad that I'm going to do it because I don't have to.
I said go in your bed. Listen,
What did you say just now?
I said thanks.
Okay, you can take it. Oh,
Okay.
Mommy, but when me that lady disrespect, but we do give me we do sign a paper for her.
I understand, my baby, but this is life. Me think about it when they come back. You not have to sign it. Remember? Keep the gate closed. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, later.
What do you think is going on? No, I'm not thinking.
T.
Huh?
You alright?
I mean, I not sound good to you.
Yeah, but let me say I really want to come out and lock up. You know,
So that's why I come back the second time?
Yeah, because I know that I love you, that's why I broke my hand. I just want to come out back.
Of course, I will come home and tell you nothing.
But for them, they long time, 2 months now.
2 months not really long, you know, but for you, it might long, but for me...
I do not want to come out this year.
No, sir, I want to come out, of course.
I just want to come out, but then I want to come out if you have time with me.
Yeah. I don't like me never say, oh, I don't miss you. I miss you.
Them
A
a
little
beat you
bit.
in there?
Beat who?
No, lock up.
My boy can't beat me in a lock up.
If you get locked up, then something happen.
Do that a idiot man them happen too.
So you say I don't idiot man.
No, so me and my boys them in a man. You know, say, things show the world. Boy can't beat up.
I need to come out. Because we've been out while now since we met you.
Of course, man, me will come out and I have still say I have nothing to worry about.
Okay then, baby. I love you.
I love you too.
You sure? I just said that you
No, so I'm sure. I'm tell say anything I say. I'm sure about it. Can't wait to see you neither. I miss you too.
Mommy?
Oh yeah, come here, mommy. Hello.
Who is that on the phone?
Oh, nobody is on the phone now.
So you're sitting down talking to yourself like a madman. So I didn't know that I have a mad daughter.
I mean, you're not mad.
So why are you talking to yourself if you was not on the phone? Because you take me for idiot. Don't. You take me for idiot.
Yeah, you take me down water.
I notice that since you get big, I cannot speak to you anymore. Because you claim that you're an adult. And you don't take no more talking from me. That means you're my mother and I'm your daughter. Why are you looking at me like that? It doesn't seem like I'm your mother, the way you're behaving. Listen to me, come over here, so. Come over here, so. As long as you, Mona, underneath my roof, when me work and sweat all my life to build, you going to start to have respect. You take me for fool? You want to tell me say you sit down right here so and talk to yourself and nobody there on the phone? Okay, keep it that way. Call it say you give me one pill to take and me I eat that. Anyway, where you look on the road? You don't do nothing in the yard. You left the place dirty. Right now, your sister down there was small, so 7-year-old, oh God. You know no shame. I sweep out the place and they tidy up. You know so me I go refurbish the place. You know. You know so me want if you refurbish, you do me little thing. Eh? I have to talk about business on the road with me I go do. And I realize that you don't keep nothing. Everything me tell you about me, your mother, me. Where your mother will suffer with you so long. You carry go tell all your friends them all over the place. Who to tell if I want man you did that talk to on the phone. Or some friend from somewhere, I don't know. You need to go down in the yard and go clean up the place. Help your little sister. Your little sister shouldn't even have to sweep out place. Big old ass steering girl like you. Why you make me, Mona, why you make me have to come on the road and disgrace myself? You know the type of job we do. Listen to me. You know that I'm a justice of the peace. And the way you behave, me shame of you.
I'm actually tired.
Me shame. You're tired? Tired to do what? To clean up place? Tired to keep place clean and yourself clean? Eh? See that my blouse you pick out and put on. Because all of your clothes them dirty. Big old girl like you. A matter of fact, warm to your hand. I will break your hand break or a sprain. Warm to your hand because nothing never do your hand. Eh? When you leave nothing wrong with your hand, what happened to your hand? Eh? Mommy, eh? Warm to your hand.
We drop mommy.
You drop. So, oh, you fall down and hit your hand and you never, ever mention that out of your mouth to me. Let me know whether you figure do an x-ray. Go to some doctor or hospital or something so me can give you the money to do it. What is your problem? You sure say you fall down?
Yes, mommy.
Mona, you're looking at me two eyes and you tell me say you fall down.
Yeah, mommy.
Okay, and how are they look? So, that means from you say no and you say yes. You're confused. The devil I tell you if you tell your mother lie. But guess what? Figure out what you tell if you tell me. Because me not stupid, me not bandy. Hear me? Come on fire road and go down in the yard. And mind me have to take your phone from you because my money buy it. No one you're nothing from you about your arm. Oh, Tada. Make sure say you go down there and clean up the place. So when the man them come to come refurbish the place, it no does not kill them. It look nice and clean. Jesus Christ. Father God, may I beg you to change her for me. Because the devil lead her astray. Jesus peace. No, sir. I don't want that girl thing been up in my bag, you know.
Good morning, girl. Good morning.
Good morning.
Where's your mother?
Mommy, she's on the road.
But me want her to do something for me, you know, so that's why I'm going to check her.
She's not here.
So little girl, when me came, I'm coming to sit down with the lady.
No.
Eh?
I cannot do it.
What do you mean I cannot do that?
I don't want to open the doors for strangers.
Little girl, want me to grab and come inside, come sit down.
You want me?
Long time. Long time for you in your mother belly, little girl. Why you question me?
Answer the question now. Me later come in. What is my favorite color?
Well, how me gonna know what is your favorite color? You go like say, me you live together and me your auntie for know say that's your favorite color. You see, only look up it, only not be there now.
Girl, you know. Big girl, you're down. Come in. So what about that? Stand up with this and my mother come.
It's alright, little girl. You stay so and wait for your mother. Can see when look up it, when force right before time, you're going to tell me never snap out here. So like you feel like say me I said like your favorite color. Oh, me gonna wait. They see little girl. It's alright. Me wait for your mother. Oh, no, wait.
No,
Wait for your mother then.
Just say you know me from in a belly. You're not supposed to know my favorite color.
Okay. Me see your attitude, little girl. Go ahead, me. I'll tell you. Now, what time you can give me?
Like no restaurant or no bar, no shop. Wait, me have no time for talk. I'm going to take Korea. Let me come.
What this little chink? Watch her and have no behavior, boy, and no bar and no shop. Hey, you see, if you never want her mother to do something, I would have bust her ass today. But you see, her mother me and whip her. I'm still a person whip her mother out harder. Sure. What do you mean say you know my son and me have to go yes, go away with some money and come back. Now I'm not charge money, none of those the things to people. And you know me and you know my son, so why me have to pay you?
Listen to me now. The job that you're putting me on, it is very serious. And I have to make sure of what I'm doing. As I told you before, you're going to have to give me some money for me to sort this thing out for you.
What are you talking about?
You could give me about 40,000, but about $40,000 you're going to have to give.
Me have, alright. Me have the picture and everything already, so me just go get the money and come back.
Okay, no problem. I'm right here.
Alright.
And you have my number in case you come and you don't see me because I'm a busy woman, you know.
You can give me a number so I can call you. Alright. So may I come, before I come, let me call you.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. They said the lady said she want $40,000.
$40,000
Give the recommendation and to sign the picture. Because she said she know me and she know you and she know what you do.
So true, she know what me do. That's why she a moving most way.
Yes, because she said she want money because if anything, she gonna need money to get herself out of trouble. So I don't know which trouble, but they say how long me I want you.
Mommy, me know where me understand what you say, but you know sometimes the poverty life when me I grew up, me could come born and still have in a them type of life there. You understand? So me find a better way. It might risky and illegal, but me find a better way so I me there try getting some funds and it there work. You see me?
Okay, no, but when you get in your funds, you remember your mama, you know? You're there about with all type of girl. I'm a church woman. Because see, there, I'm a church sister. I forgot to borrow the money. And the whole of them, they for me about me know what my son do. And my son wrong do. And this and that. And be something. At least, yeah, I know what my son do. My son wrong do. I talk to him. But at least he not kill nobody.
Me not kill nobody yet, mommy.
Yet?
No, me not kill nobody no time.
Look here now. Me need to change your life. So they come out, you have to change your life. Have to change your life. Me can't live so, you know. Me cannot.
Boy, mommy, when I come out after make some more money, then I just don't need it.
Yeah, you talk about make money. That's all you talk about. But listen to me and listen to me carefully. You see me? Me don't want to involve in my life here. Because remember, see, you never involve me when you get the money. I know that it go so I know that you invite me, you know. So guess what? Me a Christian and me I go church. So you got done with this up me here. Or you leave me out of it when you get in trouble. You hear me I tell you?
Yeah, mommy. When we come out, we talk about that. And if people them when you talk about the money, me pay them back and give them extra pound. So they not afford for themselves.
You just make sure, alright?
Yeah, mommy. I'm glad they are out there trying to get me out. So I don't come out in no car. Boy, I be a ton call me I get in there. Boy, you know so nice.
Yeah, me one pitney. We expect. Later, man.
Alright.
Thank you.
I come because I want you sign 2 pictures for me and I give me a recommendation because my son get locked up and I don't know me I'm going to bring something for him, but they want a recommendation from my GP.
You're saying that your son get locked up.
Yes.
And you need to bail him. Okay, you're gonna have to bring me.
Mommy!
Hi baby girl, I'm coming. Let me talk to her. I'm coming inside in a bit. You have to get me your ID and a passport size picture so I can stamp it. Also, I already know about your son and you know that I know you and I know your son. This job that you're putting me on now, I'm gonna have to collect some money from you.
What you mean say you know my son and me have to go away with some money and come back? Now I'm not charge money and those the things to people. And you know me and you know my son, so why me have to pay you?
Listen to me now. The job that you're putting me on, it is very serious. And I have to make sure of what I'm doing. As I told you before, you're gonna have to give me some money for me to sort this thing out for you.
Where talk about?
You could give me about 40,000, but about $40,000 you're gonna have to give.
Me have alright. Me have the picture and everything already, so me just go get the money and come back.
Okay, no problem. I'm right here.
Alright.
And you have my number in case you come and you don't see me because I'm a busy woman, you know.
You can give me a number so I can call you.
Action.
Here.
Alright. So me I come before I come let me call you.
Okay, no problem. Sit down right here, son. Leah, when you see me talking, I'm not gonna slap you. When you see I'm talking to somebody, you need to shut your mouth and listen and do not disturb. You understand? Okay? Yeah? Whenever you see me talking to somebody, you need to shut your mouth and do not disturb anyone while they're talking. You hear me? You understand? So you're going to show some respect to people that you see come to me. Anybody that come to me, you need to just look, listen, and learn. Do not say a word unless they ask you a question or me, your mother, ask you any question. Then you can answer. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, and be a good girl. Mommy love you, yeah? Okay. Oh, you see how the place nice, man. Good girl. You eat something?
No.
Alright, let's go get some teeth here. Ah, here.
Mommy, let me talk there.
Hmm?
Let me talk. Let me piano.
You done by the house.
Mommy.
Mommy?
So you never in the house?
Why don't you go back and eat?
So from the time me tell you if you go down in the yard, you just say come here so you make me all go about my business and come back and reach home before you? Like seriously? Oh, are you run things?
No, Mama, you go the restaurant, go get something to eat.
How many hours now? I mean go up on the road to sort out how much something and come back.
Mommy,
How
this
much
one
something
I'm
go
paying
sort
for
out and come back and you just stay coming in the yard, Mona? Like seriously? Then must say, I refurbish and refurbish your so and you need to clean it up. Oh, clean up the place. Now you're not from it. So dirty plate around this up. One of they use and look about sitting with the man them where they work. One go clean them up. Because they tell your sister before me leave, they tell us if they wash up the plate.
She's a big girl now, she full of wash plate. I'm tired.
7-year-old. And you are how much? And now wash plate. Tired, go sleep which part? Go on.
I'm tired, mommy.
Go on. Go and go do what you have to do in this one. And don't let me talk to you again about it.
Mommy, you can palm.
That's okay. Don't worry about it.
Morning.
Good morning.
You know, call your mother earlier on and she told me that she's not there here, she gone on the road. So if you just give you the picture, the document to sign, and the money in there.
Oh, everything in there?
Yes, so she said to here and tell us to put it on her office desk. Till she comes, she start to back and call me.
Alright, no problem.
Alright, thanks. Alright.
Anyway, let me say something to you. Right now, before me reach at the gate. It's when you tell me, say, whatever, I not even remember what you talk about your hand there, you know. You see, whatever you tell me about your hand, nobody think me believe you. I'm going to tell you already, so nobody think you give me nothing. It's alright, no worry yourself. Anyway, me and you and your sister already know, say, a move we are going to move from where we live to come down here, so that's why we have to get it clean up and refurbish it, please. And you're not help clean up your Mona? Like seriously?
I'm stressed out.
You're stressed out?
Yes, mommy.
Oh, of course, it's Jesus. I want to stress you, young girl like you. Young girl like you. What could have caused you for this stress? What kind of stress you have, sir?
Mommy, what do you think?
Anything you're stressing about, you need to put it down. Leave it. Me and stress on your friend.
Mommy, important, mommy.
Important.
Yes, mommy.
And you not talk to me about nothing at all. So even if something wrong with you, me don't know. If your aunt still hurt you, me no know. Me no know if it's soon better. Me no know because you not talk to me about it none at all. I'm a pure liar tell.
Mommy, I believe me. No want me tell you what me am. Nothing at all me tell you.
Worry yourself, man. Just come make it go clean up the place. Because no will want to move enough from me there. I'm going there. Can't wait for the man them done their work.
I love you, clean you. I get some man to clean you. Come take a bite time.
You look so. You see, every time you take for yourself and come out of the yard, and you take me for fool, trick me and tell me how you're gone right this one and this you're gone and where you're not gone from where you're gone. You see, today, you ain't going nowhere. Me I go tell you something right now. Every day you take yourself and come out of the yard morning, and you're gone. You don't want to do nothing. So you see, today, you ain't going nowhere. Come inside. Come. One go ahead. Every man then we are walking there, so take up the cup.
Yeah, man, move from the board then, what do you know about this? You want to try and get some?
Now get here.
Hello. Go on there, boy. Damn fool. Now you say about it, not your yard. Papi sure.
No, I don't want to help you one. Just do enough first. Anytime you come here, one thing you do, you realize say you're willing. Alright? You can put my foot on this one now, but anytime you painting, you don't put the foot up there again.
What are you coming for?
Come here.
Mommy, can I go to the show?
Yes. Mona.
Mommy, we can go in there to go get me food and mother eat.
Okay, go ahead. Mona. Oh, Jesus. Go on.
What are you coming for?
Mona.
Mommy?
You take me for idiot.
No, water I come look because they did plug out the fridge. Water and juice. Eh?
What is the problem? Say now listen. You take a little time and squeeze it out of the place. And you know so we are trying to get it sorted out. To move, me tired to tell you from which part we did to come and stuff on live. Money you mean is you not help. You rather go up on the street, go idle.
Oh, you mean me no want to do nothing?
Okay, big up yourself.
Alright, I'm so cool.
Go on from the phone.
Hello.
Hello.
What's up, baby?
What's up?
You know something about the last night? Yeah.
Mm,
The reason we are
dream about
married, we have 3 baby, and we have 2 BMW, one Mark X,
You know what I
one
say?
Axio, and you're rich.
Oh, I like how your dream
Yeah.
stills.
So I just hope and I just dream a dream. Hope it comes off it true. Come on, quite a man that was every day the woman they palm me about oh me fi clean it. I'm just stressed by you know behabs.
Moms, this is sometimes you have to be handy around the place. You understand? Not because rain. That's me.
Oh, a good different to do.
Yeah, I'm good, you know, I'm just there. Like always, I go and drink some caramel porridge and eat one piece of bread.
Oh
bread
God. Say mother no come link you. You know your friend mother can for you?
Well, you know my mother, she's here. She want me to left the game, but why? You can't one and two things come give me. You see me, come give me two
You know,
days
you know
yesterday.
say do. Me I go stop care for you. You know why?
Why?
Because imagine you know you have money on top of money and they even want drawers you buy me. They want soap, you know. Nothing you buy me. And then you broke my hand. Broke my hand and you have my hand broke. And you did it in this. You know what?
Mama, for your correction, your hand not break, your hand sprained. And listen, the amount of sprain hand you get from me, you don't need a jazz.
Oh, what do you mean by?
Mama, Mama.
What do you mean by? Don't give me Lord Pandy a phone right
Listen
now.
listen
What do you mean by me not need a drawers? Eh?
Mama, the amount of jazz you have. About 1 or 2 jars I see me not like I have 2 holes in my back eye, but when I come out I go stitch up it and you can wear it.
Stitch up it when you can buy several. You wear your mother there because she have money, you know.
Listen,
You
my
don't
mother.
left money with her.
Listen.
Do you not left money with her mother?
My mother.
You need to call her mother and tell her mother some need things.
Mama, listen, when my mother get money from my mother is a cougar. You know what that mean? You know what a cougar mean? Do you know what a cougar mean? My mother is very old. She's shriveled up. My mother is very shriveled up. You understand? She in her age now. So how my mother forget money, mama?
Yeah.
And me now stay behind by and tell you where me put my money because I don't want happy. I don't start kill it, but maybe when I get more than broke hand, broke foot, broke this, sprain that.
So wait, the other time me have to broke my arm, broke my foot, spray me this, spray me that. Other time me for wait me for.
No, listen up. I don't take it for anything. Mama, I'm not take it for no. As I say, me there, I'm good. Just there I go and eat 2 ton meal.
Alright then, don't do it after. Don't match up a kind.
Alright.
Me there here.
Oh, they're good though. Everybody good.
No, because me no good.
Mama, stop stress yourself.
Me forever and come back.
Alright.
When them say I get bail,
Come if you know.
your mother not say nothing to your mother come for you, no?
My mother come look for me. I tell her say she cancel. She give me about 5 days yesterday.
Oh, if I used to see back, I know.
No. You can't there every day, so it'll take some time. So you can't just come every day as she like.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright then, later.
Alright.
Yeah.
Make sure you keep it something tight, you know, because you know, come out a party, a big party you going, huh?
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, look more.
Alright, baby.
Yeah, love you, babes.
Love you too.
Mm.
Come again. Why you come like that? Come and see how you want. I mean to stop me. What's your problem? Just say thanks for let me get to JP because the papers them up work on and something so I'm so gonna foreign. So where are you with? Me there. They are just walk out the road, you know. As me can't mind them in the yard. I pray. Come on, now we find where I go down road go do. I know your business that. Okay, sorry. Anyway, me say I have joke for you. You're afraid that touch me? You know, you mix up. You mix up. You see, me have one sister country. We say girl fool, let's see fool like a duck. So what in there with this boy? He boy no stop butter. He boy spraying his hand, spraying his foot. He boy no stop butter. Hold on. Oh, you come back on me and disrespect so. Can me tell my story with my man. Saying broke my hand. And then you use it on the girl. So mama, oh you know say my sister country? But I'm me actually what pan. It's not you me attack. It's not you me attack. I say my sister country. You don't know people and people can. I'm never feeling safe. When time my mother did come catch you on the road, maybe they say you go down a yard and tell myself to see me on the road. Mama come out of my face because I know where I do them out. Anyway, back so down. Say man a batter you too. And you me that time I would just ask now. They look like I get better in the truth, huh? My God. Anyway, me I tell you, say the girl, I'm say, full plantation. Full, yeah? Mm-hmm. Full like a dog.
Hello. Go on. The man don't say look here now. Why are the
That me I tell her, go on. Daddy, what me? You follow this? Yeah, I'm fine.
Come. The man don't call.
Alright, later.
When you move on, some of the board them run, so. Out of the room, come here, come back on paint.
That is my class.
Morning.
Good morning.
You know, call your mother earlier on and she told me that she's not there here because she's gone on the road. So if you just give you the picture, the document to sign, and the money in there.
Oh, everything in there?
Yes, so she's going to give you and tell you that she put it on her office desk. Till she comes, she start to back and call me.
Alright, no problem.
Alright, thanks. Alright.
You know, I have to come cut because, you know, your mother come and catch me.
Come in, come and feel. You don't need to go home yet.
You sure?
Call me, no see you.
Yeah, but you don't know me. I don't want your mother. I need money hard today.
And she now come to know what me say. A long time I don't see you more and more. Have time with you right now. I'm alright.
Mama, that's the work she do. It's not no one day thing, you know. Alright, me ask her a question. So why make you not come after me? Since like how me no want to help you, why you not come after me? Better.
You're sure?
Yeah, mama, me must say. The different thing that when me in a year, man, yeah, that when you there, man, yeah. You have to go there.
Come out of my place.
Mommy, my friend.
Leave the place alone. Don't come back over there. Yadi. You, come here. Come in.
My friend, mommy.
I'm a friend. I'm
Yeah.
a friend, mommy. Mommy, I'm a friend. Mona, you not tell you to lie. So this a boy and you're there. This a thieving boy with a scam. And we get locked up in a jail. Much time.
Mommy, what's wrong with that? I'm a little friend. I'm not even there, I'm a friend.
You're not even there, your friend. Listen. You see, if me ever see you back again with the woman, the thieving son, when I left jail, you're going to have to go live with him.
Mommy, what do you mean by me have to go live with you?
If you have to go out, go live with him. And since as you interested in whatever he might tell you so much, and your friend, you say your friend, you know. But me no fool. Mona, you have to go live with him. If you not listen to me, where they do with him the kind of swag there? Right now, but they tell us say, not deal with him again. Cut off your right here, so. Make it done right here, so. You understand? No go no further with him. You know the ambition? Eh? And that me send you go to school for do?
No, mommy, but I'm a friend, you know.
Friend.
Friend, I like you, but I'm a friend.
Well, you see they like me, so you have him, cut it off. If a man you they look, you know what I just say? If a man you they look, me know somebody where you can talk to. He just left school and he have one subject.
My mommy, me no want no nerd.
You don't even know who me I talk to. Me not even tell you the name, where you come from or where you hear about.
If
You
you
just,
so they can just say,
you don't want to nerd.
no.
A bad man you like.
Yeah, me dey already must can listen.
No tell me so. You're outsider and bright. Bad man you like. That's when the police confident kind of smarty there. Anybody then still around them, then they carry them too. So that's when the police come for him. Since that you're not listening to me, you don't want to talk to the person who would make you talk to. He will have how much is subject in head and in degree. Yes, when they hold you, eh? Do not tell him that you have no mother. Tell him your mother dead. What me say? Your mama dead and you live by yourself. No give them nobody for your number. Me no know you. You understand? Since as you want to go there with bad man. And you're so bold and bright and come tell me a bad man can like go on, walk list. Come go now. Okay, that's nice. Anyway, you don't see my daughter.
No, I'm not sure.
Don't give me number. Where your phone? Anytime you see her, call me. Anyway you see her.
Alright.
Just call me. You know, come here. Or you hear something. Thanks.
So much trouble in the world, Jack.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, where's mother there? Where your mother there? Where's your mom?
My mother gone. Go look for my sister because my sister run away.
Your big sister run away?
Yeah. I'm lucky here.
Alright. So, when your mother come, tell him to the trade man to come to look up his freckles. You know what's in the freckles? So him come for and look up his Jesus. You know what name, sir?
Jesus?
If you know what name, look up his Jesus.
Him? Up in the sky?
No. Alright. Tell the man come for the dinero. You know what name, sir?
Dinero.
Money. We come for my pay then. Tell them I come for my money. So I'll check. Sit down, put on check on the job. Say, man, I left you alone, yeah?
Yes. Because I'm a big girl.
Hello. Alright.
Yeah.
Tell your mother, say. Wait, what did the mother say?
Said the chairman come to pay for Jesus.
For money.
Money. So we call it money.
Yes, and we come back later. Alright?
Yes. And when you come back, you can tell 2 thoughts blessing.
Thank you, Jim, bro.
Come on, you're fixing out.
Because traffic did it on the road.
So me ask one question. Traffic upon the road, is it? Yeah, you could have called me.
Call and tell the traffic department you want to call them.
Who drop you off at the
The taxi man.
with you alone in the taxi and he's a young boy in the taxi.
You have other people who drop off down the road. And through me a company, so why am I alone?
So why the car never have a taxi sign on it? Why when the car stop pulling there and giggle?
So what?
You mean so
He's a
what?
passenger and the man talk to me about
Ah, yeah, it's sweet, yo. Yeah, smile. Hmm?
What is about?
Sweet, yeah, smile.
You know what I smile about? You know what man talk to me
Where
about?
man talking?
Okay, that's how you
No, where man? Oh,
You know
okay.
this-
Where me none of my business? Where me none of my business? Mama, none of my business.
So,
Me? Where me none of my business? Mama, know where you are, do. Know where you are. You want me to look out your friend in a girl?
okay. Yes, hello, Miss Candy.
Hello?
Yeah, me see your daughter. She get around at the same boy when you
Phone now pick up so good. What you say?
Me see your daughter, you hear me?
Yeah, where you now?
She dey run at the boy yard right now. A piece of ass. You need to come
fight.
here. And I'm like this in a beach.
Oh.
Like, you ma beat her.
So which part you live?
Right round and where your name? Nimprel.
Me know where you talk to.
Yeah.
Namprel.
Yeah, Namprel.
Which part of Namprel? You don't have no idea where you
Past the
can
restaurant, you go see one concrete light post.
Okay, alright, cool.
If I shop there over there, say boy.
Alright, me dey come right now.
Yeah, or pan come, you ma beat her out here.
Okay. Thank you for telling me. Me a
Yeah,
come.
man. Wait for her.
My business. Where me none of my business. Where me none of my... Come on. Where me none of my business. No. Where I go? Where I go? My business. You mean none of my business? You have to make it my business. You say you want to make it my business. Yeah, come out and so. Hey, Cablo, don't play me. Listen, don't play me. Don't play me. Yeah, where me none of my business? Where me none of my business? You say where me none of my business? Where me none of my business? Where me none of my business? Me just start talking and ask which man tap your phone? Which man tap your phone? Tell me, say you always ask my little fish. You always ask my little man. Don't play me, you know. You know we are playing. Me say you know we are playing. Let off from the shot. Let off from the shot. Right there. You know what you do. Yeah. All the people right there. Where you go? You say where you go? Where you go? You know what we have to do that you come up and go on like. You go like you know what we have to do.
I'm daughter you do so. I'm daughter you do so. What you feel do me daughter so? Boy, what you feel do me daughter so? Come out. Since I'm a bad man, come out.
You know me how, man. You know me how. You know me how. Let me play. No. I'm gonna play.
Boy, come on, come grab me, idiot. And you wanna, let me catch one of you before you. Let me catch one of you before you. And then I'm going to like you want. Can you not listen? You don't listen, wait till I catch you. Make me reach round before you, make me rest off my body. You know what?
me tongue on the yard.
You know, yo, Dalton, big up yourself in North Carolina. Yeah, man. Like we tell you from the last time, say we go start push out into the fields of used cars. Say if you're in Jamaica and you have a car for sell, or you want me advertise it for you, yeah, man, just make a link. We try to put you out there, get a sale. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. That's that way I try to deal with right now. You know, time to come now. I'm going to go into it more in depth. As soon as I get the money right, me start buy 1 and 2 used car to and sell it back same way. You know what I mean? Because me see there's a need for it in Jamaica, and I don't like how them do me on the 3 car I buy in Jamaica. So I'm going to try to do better. You understand? So you have to lead by example. So if I can do better, I maybe can shape it so people know how to deal with it. Because I think when you sell somebody a second-hand car, sell them something good. You know what I mean? Sell them something you yourself that want to buy. Because we as a people, if we go against each other, what are we to say? You know what I mean? We go leave room for different people to take over our country and come be wholly at slavery. So we have to try to start from somewhere. We have to have some dignity and accountability in everything we do. You know what I mean? That's the far I come with love and understanding. Really and truly. Do unto us like them do unto you. Yeah, man. So give thanks. We're there. Remember, see the number there. If you have a car to sell, make a link same way. You know what I mean? And if you want a certain car to buy, maybe you can give me a link and we can advertise the same way. So yo, somebody want this a car to buy, this a specific car to buy. Yeah, and me I look one transmission for one TIDA. You know what I mean? We don't remember what what kind of transmission, but if you know a car, you understand what I mean, you know? Yeah, what you transmission have dipstick. You know what I mean? Yeah, so you will understand, say, I want them one day. Alright, so we're there going to hold it off. Enough respect. Thanks for watching. Big up all the people. Big up everybody from day one who support the movements. Well appreciated. We're still up on the journey. Said we'll still do it. We still try to make movie a reality in Jamaica. It's a hard fight. But we're there for it. We're there for the fight because it's just like reggae music in the beginning. It's the same thing we're doing with movie right now. You know what I mean? So, but one day go work out and it go become number one. I receive a lot of calls. Some of the people some of them are kids, too young. Some of them are like 10, 12. You understand? But me not know space to accommodate them. You know what I mean? In the future, God willing, we want stage where we actually have a school for that. You know what I mean? A school where we teach from them young. So we can go into that because as a people we have to go into the areas them that because and everybody born normal. Some people born gifted, some people born to be a comedian, some people born to be in a play, some people born to be even a serious actor, some people born to do different things, emotional actors. So you have to have things to develop them craft because we can't depend on one thing and everybody go on serve and everybody go on cook. You have different areas for everybody. So me have focus on my fields. My field is movie. You know what I mean? Apart from that, we do construction. You know what I mean? So give thanks to life for Jah. We're there. So that's that we work on. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. Tell a friend. Buy out the 2 vehicles them you can get some more for sell. Yeah man, just tell a friend. Anybody want a vehicle buy, see 2 vehicles here. Me not talk no more. See 2 vehicles them here. Oh, which one do you like? Which one do you want to buy? Make the contact, man. Make we see what can go on. We have some more something soon coming in, you know. Yeah, and if you have a vehicle you want to sell to, send in, make you know what go on. Let's go.